Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a get to know you video while I do a makeup look at the same time. Let's start by answering a few questions from the YouTuber tag. Question number 1. What is your name and what is the name of your channel? My name is Natalie. The name of my channel is Model Mom of 4. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to multitask and do this at the same time, honestly. See, I'm already getting things out of order. This first it's Estee Lauder Daywear. It smells really good, I think. Like, I'll do one question, one product on my face. Question number 2. What does the name of your channel mean? It's a play on modeling and it's a play on role model. So I have been blessed with amazing women figures in my life. My mom, my grandma, my aunts, especially my mom. She's an amazing mom. I am absolutely blessed to have 4 amazing kids. I strive to be a better mom every day. We're gonna do Laura Mercier. It's one of my favorites. It's a lightweight, flawless coverage tinted moisturizer. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm actually kind of excited about this. Put some on there. Most of the time I just apply it with my hands, but this time we're using the blender. As you can see, it's just really nice color. Question number 3. Where are you from? California. I've had the luxury of living in both Southern and Northern California. I've traveled up and down the state countless times, and I really prefer Southern California. Question number 4. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I started a YouTube channel because I love a challenge. A lot of us are working from home right now in quarantine, and I figured this would be a really cool thing for me to do and be challenged by and learning new things. So that's why I'm doing it. I just love creating too, and I love art, and so I thought makeup would be something really fun for me. We'll do number 6. Who is your target audience? My target audience is anybody who wants to learn about skincare, beauty stuff, fashion, raising kids, married life, Christianity. I'm a Christian and I believe in Jesus. Definitely love to share about my faith. Anyone that wants to be inspired, anybody that likes business. I love learning about businesses and business models. I started a business last year. I'm so excited to share more about it. Highlight is nice, especially when you want a nice glowy look. So I'm gonna start by highlighting right a little bit on my nose. I'll do this upper area, and then I'll just blend it out with my finger. Bring this underneath the brow. Cream is my favorite. I love cream products. Got this really cool palette that my friend got me. I'm just gonna try some of this on. I'm gonna keep the eyeshadow low this time. I like to use different products. Like, this is a bronzer kit and I'm using it as an eyeshadow. Question number 7. What do I hope to achieve from this channel? I hope that you guys will learn a little bit about resiliency, determination. I just hope that you guys just have fun with me. I really want to get to know you and get to know what products you really like to use. Top 3 favorite YouTube. There have been so many new people that I've been learning from, and I don't think I can narrow it down right now. I just love being inspired by other people too. I don't currently have 3 favorite yet, but I will. Who inspired you to start a channel? I think I just dove in. Oh, I do remember talking to my husband one day and I was like, babe, I do a new project. Video keeps popping up in my head because I love recording. I love being on the backside of my camera. I love recording film. I love movement and art and action and film and movies. And so when I get geeked out by that, the next week I'd filmed some videos and then I did more. I was like, babe, we prayed about this and I feel like I just dove right in. And I just went for it. Let us brush our eyebrows. Bringing the color down a little bit. Next question. If you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? If I could collab with anyone right now, it would be my son Matthew, who is 17 and is such a talented percussionist. He's learning piano, he just hears music and he can just start to play it. I would love to collab with Matthew because he's just such a sweetheart. He's so inspirational, he's really talented, he's got an amazing voice. I'm trying to get him to get a YouTube channel. I'm hoping that this will inspire him to do it because that would make me really happy. I love my boy. Number 11, 3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel. Reason number 1, you don't know what you're gonna get. I don't know what we're gonna get. We're doing this together. Number 2, I am not a salesy person. Therefore, I don't have a number 2. Number 3 reason why you should subscribe. You'll be inspired to even start your own video. If anything, I hope my kids inspire you because they inspire me every day. Come in. So I'm gonna finish the look and then I'm gonna do the questions because this is stressing me out. I don't know how to do both. I have another highlighter here. What did you want to give me?
Mother's Day is coming up.
Yes, it's so cute. Yeah. Look at how cute this is. And it opens. Love you.
Love you too.
What are you up to?
I was making this.
Aww. I think we should do like a cartoon book because you draw the cutest little guys. All right, I'm gonna finish this video. Thank you so much for that. I love you so much.
Me too.
Do you want to read a book tonight?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Love you. I really like lip stains. I have to find a good one. If you guys know any, if you could comment below. But I like lip stains because you really just work it in. I usually also like painting. I kind of build up my color. I just build it up, build in and build in and build in. A very, very thin line. I think I'm gonna use this brown color. This guy right here. Can't see that. It's Marc Jacobs. I really like the peachy color. We're gonna go with that one. Here, a little blush and we're done. Use this little cream blush. And just for fun, I'm going to draw a little heart here. I'm gonna fill it in with peach. We'll try this glitter outline actually. Cute. All right, I can't think of anything else I want to do. Just add a little more bronze to my cheeks. Let's finish up those questions. What's your favorite thing about the YouTube community? My favorite thing about the YouTube community is that there's so many people that are talented, that are sharing their knowledge with the world, bringing them to the table and sharing what they've learned along the way. So I really appreciate that. What do you think you could bring to the YouTube community that isn't already there? And just my knowledge of business, raising kids, loving life. Definitely bringing some love to the community. 3 things we should know about you. I am a hard worker. I am resilient. I don't give up easily. I love the outdoors. I love the beach. I love hiking. I love flowers. Anything nature-y, outdoorsy, I'm in love with. What do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber? I think the hardest thing will probably be getting a good following to support your channel. A lot of people watch my videos, but not many people are subscribing. I think it's just a hard industry to get into. I think that if I'm creating content that I really like and I'm passionate about, people will find that and they'll appreciate that. So please, 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 please subscribe. Finally, do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? Well, I absolutely do. I'm really hoping to get my son, Matt, to get his music out there and to start doing his own YouTube channel. So I think as long as I show him that this is going and if I can get his stuff going, then I can help him manage his stuff. And that's super exciting to me. So I think I'll be doing it for a while. Do you have any tips or advice for people who are just starting a YouTube channel? I do actually. What I've learned is just don't give up. Do something that you're passionate about. Yeah, I'm doing this primarily to inspire others and to share a piece of my life with you guys. I would say definitely the last thing is definitely be patient. Be patient with yourself, be patient with people around you. If you're living with a family or a mom and a dad or a sister, setting up your system with getting the right camera with the right card and the phone if you use a phone, whatever it is, the editing process, it all takes time, and just be patient with it. Laugh about it if something gets screwed up, because it will. It can become a hot mess. So be patient with yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, beauty. Do you see anything on my face that looks like this?
It's amazing.
What did you say?
Can I have more than one?
You want 2 hearts? I remember you and I took a picture like this where you had a heart and I had a heart.
I like that it has like makeup and you can do it on us, and that there's cool setups and you have so much makeup that you can put on it.
We can like walk in whenever we want and you don't even care.
I mean, what am I gonna be like? No, you can't come in here. Like, I'm filming a YouTube video, you cannot come in here. Come on, girl, that's messed up. Are you really drawing one on me?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it.
Subscribe to Mommy's YouTube.
Moisturizing, I would say. Normal to dry. Why did you start? Oh, I'm going through all the questions and I'm not even doing anything on my makeup. How am I gonna do this? Can't multitask. Do this with this, and this with this. Let's try again. Let's start from the top. Have you guys ever tried to do a YouTube video? It's okay, your memory card's not gonna run out. Good. I answer YouTubers tag questions, and I'm gonna attempt to put on some makeup at the same time.